Hey everyone, I just tried this Besame Mascara cake. And if you want to see how this thing actually works, then continue watching. I have been wanting to try this Besame cake mascara for a while. I've been trying to find a more eco-friendly solution, and this seemed to be the most eco-friendly because it comes in a aluminum tin, and the only plastic portion is this small little brush. I don't know if I can find a replacement of just the cake alone, but it is highly recyclable because you just toss this in. I actually want to use this as for something else. I have another little project that I could use once this is done, and this is really big. Like, this is a big piece of cake. So let's try this out. Apparently you only need one tiny drop of water in order for you to use this as mascara, and then you just rub it in until it forms a slight paste, and then you just rub it on your eyelashes until you have the desired amount. So let's go ahead and try this. If you hear pitter patter, that's my dog. So the first step is adding a tiny drop of water, which I have right here. I'm just going to dip my brush in there and I guess like that, and just kind of rub it in. Does that look like a paste? No, not yet. There we go. There's the paste. And you just... I don't like this brush, so I'm gonna try this. So there's other options also on how to use this. Flicker on here. And you can also use it to use as eyeliner and also as eyebrow, like an eyebrow fill. So I'm also going to show you how that works. I've never used this before, so you and I are doing this for the first time. Popping each other's mascara, cake, cherry. Is that improper to say? I don't know. Hi, I'm Christy, and I can be inappropriate sometimes. Cool. That was pretty easy. Let's see how it works as an eyeliner now. One drop. And rub. Oh yeah, that's inky. So, I am not a makeup artist, and I grew up learning how to put eyeliner on from the 90s, where you pull this taut. So don't judge me, because I do not know how to do makeup. Actually, that's a lot easier to use than liquid eyeliner. Hold on, as I'm doing this, I'm holding my breath because, you know, that's how people put eyeliner on. One, when you put mascara on, did you notice I was like this? And two, when I put eyeliner on, I hold my breath. So I can't talk and do this at the same time. I'm not multi-talented like most people. Seriously. How do you ladies do that? Like, how do you talk and do your makeup at the same time? I don't know. Also, how do you ladies do it with just not pulling just one-handed? That's magic. All right, well, I got eyeliner on, and now let's see how it works as a eyebrow fill. This might be a little too dark. I have black hair and black brows, but I usually go like a darker medium brown for my brows, only because I don't like it too dark. So I'm just gonna go really lightly and then brush it in and see how that works. Anyways, so 1938 makeup, that's why I look a little weird. It's very plain, and your blush actually, if you're interested, this is a history lesson now also. Your blush, it usually started up here and it went down into a triangle like this. At least that's what the makeup artists told me today when I was getting my hair and makeup done. And this, a lot of the hair was very, very short. They like had to set my hair, curl it, and then they pinned it into this beautiful do. I love the way the girl did these little finger waves. Finger waves are so hard to do, FYI. But anyways, yeah, so if I don't have a lot of makeup on, it's just now mascara cake, light foundation, light concealer, and then a little bit of blush starting from here down to here. And then they just pat my lips with just a tinted moisturizer just to give it a little bit of color. Anyhow, but yeah. I actually really like this. This was a lot easier to use than I thought it was going to be. And then these are the 3 tools I had. An old mascara brush. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills number 7 brush. I think this is the travel one. I like this a lot better because I have tiny hands, so it's just easier. I use it for travel also. And then this is just an old, I believe like elf brush that I had a long time ago, and I've just been using it as eyeliner here and there. This came with the kit, the mascara cake, but I'm not a fan of it. I think it's too short to really get in there. I like having a better handle, a longer handle to kind of really get myself in there. I also did not curl my lashes, so this is just curl my lashes before I did it. So according to, there's like a little instructional guide. You're not supposed to add too much water because too much will dilute the product and give it a see-through consistency. But there's pause between coats for drying time, and you can add as many coats as you need to for your desired length and fullness. Yes, and it does say add more water to make the texture thinner if using for brows or eyeliner. When I did add a drop, it was like a drop and a half of water for the eyeliner, and then as it starts to like thicken, that's when I went in and added a little more just to give it a deeper color. And then for the for the eyebrows, that one you want to dilute it as much as possible. I went and dropped, when I had extra from my eyeliner, I dropped it in here, and then that's what basically I used to fill in my brows, just so that it wasn't so dark and heavy. But this was really easy to use. This cost, I want to say about $20. I can't remember the price now. I'll just flag it right here, wherever. But for 3 products in one, that's pretty decent. And also, I barely used any of this because this is a concentrate. So I barely used any of it for my eyelashes, my brows, and as an eyeliner. So this is great. And if you travel a lot, all you'll really need are these 3 things instead of, whoops. Anyways, if you would like to buy this Besame Cake mascara, I will leave the link below so that you can purchase one yourself. And if you have tried it, let me know what you think and whatever. Or if you're interested in it, let me know below. If you have any questions, let me know below. Everything, let me know below. Or not. Or if you just want to say hi. Hi. That's basically it. Thanks, guys. Bye. I'm done.